Hey YouTube, this is just a quick tutorial video to show you how to turn the voices in your Mac operating system, like the synthesized voices, into audio files that you can use for whatever you like to do with them. It's actually really easy. You don't even have to invest in software like Audio Hijack Pro, which is like $32, and I don't like to spend money on software. So all you have to do is open Automator. It comes with Macs, and it's really easy to use. So when you open it, you're just going to want to hit Custom, and first thing you're going to want to do is go into the text on your library on the left. That'll bring up a bunch of more options. First thing you're going to want to do is ask for text. So we need to get the program to ask us what we want to have the computer say. So, and have it ask a question. So like, type text here, and make sure you check the require an answer box, and that's it for ask a text. So whenever you gotta make this text do something, the first thing you're going to want to do is make it speak the text so that you can hear what it's about to record, and make sure in the options you show this action when the workflow runs, so that you will be allowed to choose the voice, or else it'll just choose the automatic system voice. And then after that, it's actually not in text this time. Click your library and search for loop, and drag the loop underneath there. And what you're going to want, what this loop does is, if you're not satisfied with what it just said during the preview, you can just loop the program and it'll start over, so that you don't have to drag your files to the trash, and that kind of makes life easier. And nothing to do with this, it's just a loop. And last thing, go back into text and simply drag text to audio file on the bottom. Now make sure you do the same as the top and show this action when the workflow runs. So once that's all done, you're pretty much done. You've made an application in Automator. Now all you have to do is save it as an application. So I'm going to go to Save As, and the file format I'm going to change to Application, and I'm just going to call this like Speak Up, and you're done. You can see it on my desktop right there. So I'm going to quit Automator, and you can see if I run Speak Up, it will ask me to type the text that I want to hear. I'm going to say like, hey YouTube, and I'm going to hear it in the voice that I select. I'm going to select Alex for now.
Hey YouTube.
Let's say I don't like that. I want to choose a different voice. I'm going to hit continue, and it's going to start it over. And I'm going to be like, and I'm going to put an exclamation mark. And I'm
Hello world.
And I like that, so I'm going to hit don't continue, and it's going to keep going. Now I want to save this as whatever, Mac voice, and save it to my desktop, and there it is, macvoice.aiff. Now this can be read in iTunes or whatever program you use to edit audio.
Hello world.
It's that simple.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please leave comments for my next video. The song that I used was Acceptable in the 80s by Calvin Harris. The program used for screen capture was ScreenFlow, and I used Final Cut Pro for editing.